Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogol ani all channelo faidi jeng tini nalene ONGC ni hoite ketal job notification faimani norok obo nainamo chongka hanke type khaidi ongcindia.com thangmani pore boni website open nai o jagano naidi kaisa option tongo career hanai just right side thangdi aboni pore norok nugui mane o jaga kaisa recruitment notice ni tongo o jaga click khaidi aboni pore bone o page open nai o jaga norok nugui mane na just second number tongo engagement of medics on contract basis for working at drill sites hike installation hike dispensaries of Tripura asset o jaga click khaidi click khamini pore bone notification nukjaka faidi nalena oboni advertisement number ranka 2/2021 ONGC Tripura asset Agartala invites applications from Indian citizens for engagement in the following contractual medical officer post for the tenure period up to 30 June 2022. The abongkha post ni bomong pulano tongo field medical officer oboni bagai total vacancy ka 4 or ni bisingo URN bagai tongo kaini tai STN bagai tongo kaini tai oboni bagai essential qualification nagnai MBBS having valid registration with the Statutory Council tai oboni bagai 75,000 per month resign field tai second post ni bomongkha general duty medical officer tai oboni bagai vacancy tongo kaishena URN bagai tai obka post identified suitable for PWD OL tai ON bagai OL ni full form ka 1 leg affected tai ON ni full form ka 1 arm affected tai same qualification nango MBBS having valid registration with the Statutory Council tai 72,000 per month ke resignai tai oboni bagai date of interview ka 6 August 2021 mode of interview ka work interview tai last date of receipt of application ka 4th August 2021 by 5:30 PM ni bishonoro nonyo application submit ma khainai tai obongkha there is no maximum age limit for eligibility kono maximum age limit kari tai aboni pore how to apply candidates are required to submit the following documents in PDF format to email address takhwk bwkhwk norok noni documents rok PDF format slamoi boni o email address o rihodi boni email address ka hr_tripura@ongc.co.in tai obongkha application form in prescribed format type on A4 size papers and duly signed format attached takhwk bwkhwk boni application format tongo norok o notification in just download thaka nugui mano application format for the post of medical officer on contract basis tai orong kanoni passport size photograph duly attested khaidi noni passport photo thapamen pore tai obongkha to be filled in block letters post apply for noni post ni mong ready nini mong ready nini baba ni mong ready nini mani mong ready aboni pore date of birth ready nangni nationality permanent address current postal address aboni pore email address tai aboni pore kha telephone hake mobile number tai alternate mobile number tongkhiba ready aboni pore essential qualification with year of passing and percentage of marks of mention khaidi tai permanent registration number of Statutory Council ni omobo ready aboni pore experience if any tai whether you are SC ST OBC EWS obo mention khaidi obonka declaration norogom porinadi aboni pore date ruoi place ready tai nong signature rekana application fill up paine aboni pore bongni sanmung deb nalen tamo shaka candidates of qualification, date of birth, registration certificate of council, high institute, and experience if any, duly attested by candidates. Takhwk bwkhwk nongnio documents no norok self attested khaidi. Tai aboni pore experience certificate, training certificate amonokbo if any. Tai passport size photograph to be fixed in the application format angteng shaka. Tai caste high community certificate, high EWS certificate if applicable. Aboni pore photo ID proof like no women no jaga Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, company ID card ba voter ID card, anyone. Takhwk bwkhwk obongkha norok documents stock fill up kai bono email address rihodi. Tai aboni pore muka selection criteria borok oros je qualification ka 70 marks, 60 marks for essential qualification and up to 10 marks for any relevant higher qualification bagai. Tai interview ongnai 30 marks bagai, total 100. Takhwk bwkhwk or notification ang or description box or irwana norok notification nanya hangge kebal download kai naima no ONGC notification bagi asuk no faidi jeng takasha notification nalene takhwk bwkhwk omobo MBBS doctor ni bagi no job talangi tongo obongkha State Bank of India wo faidi boni notification romani jeng abono nalene. Application are invited for 1 MBBS doctor including a retired medical officer for its dispensary located at State Bank of India Agartala branch. Interested doctors may apply within 5th August 2021 nishimi 20 August 2021 bishingo anoni giving full biodata etc at following address. Required qualification is MBBS. Takhwk bwkhwk oboga State Bank of India wo kaisa MBBS doctor nangui tongo norok jodi interest tongkhaba 5th August to 20 August ni bisingo thangai noni full biodata joma reidi faidi jeng tebunalen. For remuneration and other details you may visit our office at the following address during office hour. Te alka kuno shomung tai daud tongkhangke norok boni office time thangai boni address thangai malemano boni address engka office ni regional manager State Bank of India, regional business office Agartala North, Jagannath Bari Road, Palace Compound Agartala, District West Tripura. Tai state engka Tripura no tai pin engka 799001. Takhwk bwkhwk norok jodi interest tongkhangkeba boroni o address thangai malaidi obongkha tinini bagai doctor ni bagai notification jara noni sinijak borok tongkhangkeba bongno share khaji noni kebo doctor porijak ba korikebo retired person tonerok bongno for norok o information rimano khaidi belekona hambai asuk jor norok ani birinai tong bagai tinini bagai asuk no khwlwmkha.